Happy Women's Day for all country people. Them happy Women's Day for una, especially who Muslim woman, the way they get for respect all thing we Quran talk, and then go for prayer for mosque. Alhamdulillah, country people. Them will talk about so una about this accident will take place for after Pumas. You go for Sombo. So 5 people them that for they will tell una too about work for women them where they so they know the inside situation for women where they make Suleve country people them women where do na man picking work for them will tell una too about malaria when a woman they do all thing for say this so may they try for safety are picking them from malaria mosquito the bite put and pass mark for Newton airport 5 for the country people them will tell una about this pastor for Presbyterian church for Bonat Combo for that side for Limbe where they catch his motor the jobs with some mad woman country people them for to the day a police don't take and for us hotel now about accident for Manjo where some gendarme die with the 2 picking them on top motorcycle country people them a day a breach this will cause total traffic jam for that side for a day country people them hotel now about Bafia dance SDF don't the dance some we don't decide now say they go for election after where they say they will move court last them country people them we'll talk about Bamuso and Egypt now in the inside big trouble as of here and talk about all this ones now Pigeon TV news Equinox television with me as a cool boy to read it. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back country people. Then we could start with Saint story for today. Saint story for today Ibisuiti. Anyhow, we woman big a place na for back bed. Saint story for today. Anyhow, we woman big a place na for back bed. Thank you plenty for this same story with this Nangia case for place where they call them see this so 3 more can we supporting come from you, Madame Pascal Aurélie Kenny for bath someday. Thank you so sincerely. We're not to now talk so with the country people them say this will start with this brave Platona accident. Accident will happen after 2 kilometers after Puma. It can take place for the some accident. I mean, it's a taxi where come out a yellow color taxi come out a day to go boom bell. And only should they now try for overtake 3rd position, 3rd position for the jam face to face with some moto Carina E. Where it come out Yaoundé, they come up to country people them. How the matter can take place now? The taxi fly for bush, the other moto private one remain for them. According to place for Latin way, they go Yaoundé see not come for we country people them. Where it can take place now inside the taxi 2 people then die and then inside the Carina E 2 people and plus driver and 3 or then die country people them will be suited 5 people will die inside that accident so country person here it talk about and we can't take place so now people where we'll talk about work for woman, country people, them. Yes, about work for woman inside this matter, them. Today, na number 8 day for this number 3 moon. And a day where they put, I'm saying a day for make Women's Day. Women's Day, we don't show now a rapper they cause trouble, rapper they cause broke marriage, rapper they cause plenty, them country people them. Wait it can happen now, they say this so woman they don't forward, they say a man picking get for the cook now for them. And then they work at the make Sullivan say the matter. But so other woman and they when they decide no, they no go do that kind of thing them. Woman when a mechanic, woman when a driver, they drive absolute Douala Yaoundé. Woman when a carpenter. And the woman to a bricklayer, except woman when a barber, where the barber man picking their head to country people who take style, visit the woman the way na carpenter and the one the way they two they been a barber them for this country people them. Make you try to see as it in there. Thank you plenty, Emerson Innocent Abega. This woman is so na menuisier, well na menuisière on a weti. Country people them. Lord, the kind of the woman they make them fix them for this, clean them for the anyhow day. See this so kind of woman the rap but take pass mark for this matter. So kind of one cut them, then do all thing for the and then take care for a master house, take care for picking them two country people. They talk about the other woman now. The one a woman too, and no woman picking. Now woman too picking a baba for the any back head for man picking them country people. Back head look am hold on with the tender hand. I said now so hand is soft like cotton. But it matters and so contribute for shave head and they for they say their own place. Nike knows they look and they shave head for this country people them. Wonderful kind matters now. See they talk about for all this kind of issue now. Woman, the barber head for man picking so can way then clean them leg, then put all things would come and all we supposed to be for this country people then barber the head better one. Now woman the barber head so no be na man picking. Now woman the barber head for man picking as soon as see they talk about for all this issue them. So yes, International Day for woman do kind work them for this kind issue and this matter in so country people then shave chin, shave head and then shave all kinds of them make us making them then fine shave chin for marking who can get in a woman. Yeah, work that so country people then each one a woman the way their own. It don't pass man other man people will not fit even do so. So woman they sit down for work up kill jum for outside the later now they do it they take style now for do the kind of thing they will also talk about that for this so country to then clean head and sits one a total massage so a woman they do and we pass the other work the way woman they take style now work up for them for go do suleve they better do their work they so take care for man picking the who can pay say thank you for this matter and for this issue them for this country people wonderful kind of thing inside while we work side by side carry woman find woman the way they so the papa head for man picking them do can get in work with man picking to is supposed for do for this so country people them so now style that with plenty woman they do they enter inside work for other people then do and stay past themselves for all the situation them for their country people them we ask some for them may they talk. Na true say una choose we no get woman the way they talk pidgin way they do that kind of thing. But they explain them for French how they manage being a barber. That for go make souleve they didn't have to work. They explain how they manage interview inside the country people for that work for barber, work for man picking. Ask them for them, they tell we una yet way they talk, but now for French no trouble, una hear that so small.
Donc, on a coiffé, le seul trouvé dans la coiffure, il y avait un ami coiffeur, un ami très jeune, nous on est pas parce que ça fait 10 ans que je coiffe. Bon, quand j'allais là-bas, il coiffait, ça m'intéressait, j'ai pris le coup quoi. Un jour il est sorti, bon, les clients sont entrés, les enfants, moi-même j'ai pris la tondeuse, j'ai dit mais pourquoi pas coiffer, moi je peux coiffer. Et j'ai pris la tondeuse, j'ai commencé sur la tête des enfants, et il est entré, il a vu, il a dit que c'est bien, même si toi tu peux coiffer. C'est comme ça qu'il m'a formé.
Je me suis retrouvée comme un jeu parce que je voulais être un peu différent des femmes. Je dis que non. Parce que j'ai fait aussi la coiffure femme. Et j'ai décidé que non, comme j'ai appris femme, il faut que je fasse aussi homme pour associer pour que ça donne quelque chose. C'est pour ça que j'ai fait la coiffure homme. Et aujourd'hui, je me rends compte que c'était la meilleure chose que j'ai faite.
So now I say so for Women's Day, plenty women they do work for man picking them for this kind of issue them, and then they work now on top man picking themselves for this matter. Then forgo the worker dance. We sure say today so we go work side by side for gather plenty to leave them. So for who now even tomorrow country people them and they do match past now for reflect which way be problem and seek for woman. They say seek for woman. Now woman how a medicine for woman too. Now woman we talk about this other palaver way woman they take care for their picking them. Buy mosquito net cover their picking the name. Mosquito they give malaria past my country people them. Newton 5 for airport day. Now it is. As a chapter for mosquito for your country people them. A bat pass mark. Quarter where they say mosquito for years so they kill and I will lat and I go then. Yes. Even Gilbert Vibansabi say when mosquito they come so. You want turn one side. As fun the turns the mosquito they turn round. Standing water, they say me look water. The guys they say with time for them for corner play call and say everybody show pong what they contribute people them. Wonderful can palava with mosquito them. So they talk about and say we no day for them. Mosquito they do them part and part for yet. As we get time where they talk about them for all this issue them for them. When man they even try for cover picking in with mosquito net because it bad. All time you knock skin because mosquito plenty. Grass they pass mark. S12 na do wala side by side the country people them as we see even the moon take the way they born them guy can't know they born them so for the country people them they drive mosquito at all so this one for attack and for fight malaria where they say make picking them do outing stop for that level so country people them how much is can go born them we no go intoxicate picking them for 1 day before the mosquito day for this quartering country people and think that and the question that when they say first time sanitary the worker inside quarter by quarter clean place and then make the most cleanest quarter safe and then to safe medicine for kill all mosquito for fight against malaria fever for picking them so country people will go for limbe which they happen for mile 4 bonatikombo where they so pastor the mitopi inside motor for night how a security run tight for that side for limbe now so country people which can take place with the BC one time which can happen they say like the patrol for evening time may talk motor for pastor the shake like the one for Idi Amin Dada they want to spy so pastor did it and they make prayer and some Christian way this not person a mad woman for this country people them so police now catch them go to and pastor say no concern them they snap picture them now so they'll send them for head office for Boya Day now they way they so pastor san negotiate the bags so they take them go to for church office day for today come for this matter so we'll last strong for now anytime where the thing reach say this so not to fear for church. Accident for Manjo and to career for Manjo Day dinner for Kona Manengole country people then with the happen as on gendarme marché chef for where they work for place where they call and say a bonnet brigade today now you make accident die with the two picking them now this one a woman for TZ Michel marché chef TZ Michel now a woman is country put them. They say master can't take a picking and I want this and another one this take the two picking them. Say they go buy them slippers sans confiance. Say don't go buy them now, so they run past Mimi, na cap there be there for it. And they run past Mimi, wait to go happen for you. As you want overtake for trying position, so contribute them. Now so when the motor come on the side for Bafang when a commissaire for security public for Bafang jam with you face to face. The gendarme die on the spot for the A2 picking and two, then die. Now the motor will jam and then finish nana inside, and the motor safe commissaire to be carried a woman and the own picking and two inside will come for go for their own kind side. That's where they call them for this. So then they now for hospital. Where they so motor come out for can make a constant for that side national data. Where they talk about all the situation and the place so for the chapter that we happen with my chef TZ Michel died for the two picking and so country people wonderful kind matter wonderful but so for a day and a social chapter for road this one go slow for that bridge for a day already day for fix them now so I said for Komoya go Yaoundé if it takes up 6 hours for road because now only a day now 2.5 hours plus for this whole country people the night this bridge for a day and because can go slow for day and yes we didn't plenty pass mark people they come inside motor safe go to no corner and look how it happen when one line for motor don't pass to go end another line to come pass to go end the other one now they live for one side they wait to 3-4 hours and the other one now if one cross cross quick better pay bench skin where they take 100 francs now they think that 300 for cross come on there town come for ancien pond or nouvelle pond for this to contribute and they trouble that way all money complain say don't too much people they say this way they want to take flight check they go around and go take flight but now better no deal for them they must stand for the till for this so country people them hence they say no fry egg with no broker and inside this matter and so now he will be broke the egg now so it costs October and it costs the same time good market bad market for passenger them are good market for people they sell kako they don't get their place too for selling. They will come out now for a day, go to struggle to reach for Yaoundé country people them. And for Yaoundé now, we need John Frundi now. And decide this will for confirm Ibafia dance. Now it is. They talk about for this issue then country people them. Chairman for SDF. Or don't be used to for the fact say this so things Methuselah. It is also the been so for us. Say they give one talk after a change mob. Give one talk after a change mob. Wait to come up now for your country. They decide to go come up cutlass. They go sharpen cutlass them. It's a children saying down. It's a be fruit. It's fully not favor do to way in talk. Now we don't say don't come on now from office for Martin Bellinger able to talk say this so SCF we go for election for senatorial election. 8 years for country people didn't say all this matter and the parliament for them as we get away to talk about them for here. Can we and can issue the way a contest now for them say SCF don't change position again. They go for election country for this senatorial election will come for number 4 months for this year will day for inside too. It won't be so trouble day for Bamuso. They don't Chakra house them, Born house them, state mayor for Bamuso don't run. Can't even have Boya now so country people them. But I said where this so population vex against tax where they add them for them. At the same time, population vex too for each now. Will be using Chef Francis Magic Touch could don't do ultimate image and therefore we disposal. If you for the camera according to news for year contribute anytime, na time and anytime na news time, na today time will go fit for so for una so with the block J office block office to for day. Because of which they find me, they give them water, we don't stay. Council no do work at all, and Dio inside can make them and Jackie for that said day. We'll come back, they contribute for talk say. Thank you, Francis Boyum. Thank you, Amos. Thank you, Innocent. Pick a doctor for the 2 Gilbert Viban. Give with Emmanuel T. Free from my 90s so on country people. Then we'll talk about and see this so we be Imam with Masa Talk. It go better contribute them. Ask to say, Bullet Steph. They be joining for this one for today. If una see my back, Bele, they for before in